Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the WhatsApp account of yours. Now to do that, open the WhatsApp application that you have downloaded. Once you open that, tap on agree and continue. Now here you will need to provide your country code and the phone number. Tap on the drop down menu. From there you choose your country code and then type in number. Then tap on next. Is this the correct number? If so, tap on OK. Now a code will be sent to the mobile number of yours, which will be auto-detected. Even though you have been logged in into the account, you will be asked to provide your name and profile picture again. So type in that details once more and then tap on next. This way you will be easily logged in into the WhatsApp account of yours. So this is how you can log in WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.